Hi guys, I'm Minh Anh. I'm Vietnamese and I'm come from Jai Academy. Today we're going to learn about halftone. What is halftones? Halftones is the technique that simulates a guardians of sheets with a limited number of tones, traditionally black and white, although it was created as the result of limitations in print media. A halftone effect can be used on the pose to make the image look more interesting. And today I'm going to show you 3 ways to make the halftone texture in Photoshop. Let's go. This is very Irish picture. First, go to Filter. Click Filter Gallery. Go to Sketch and choose halftone pattern. This size control the size of the dots, and this contrast control the light and the dark side of the picture. This pattern type, you can choose all the type pattern like circle, a line. This depends on you. You choose dots for this type. This is the easiest way to create a halftone pattern, and it provides a real-time preview. But as you can see, this dot is blurry and not very convincing. So choose if you want to adjust it. Go to Adjustment and click 3 square. You can adjust the contrast here. Then comes the second way. It depends on you if you want your image black and white or color. I will show you how to make it black and white first. Go to Image, choose Adjustment, and choose this to read. It becomes black and white. Then go to Filter and choose Pixelate. Choose the color halftone. Change all these channels here to 0, and the max raises here is the maximum size of your dots. Here, you can see it's kind of fast and easy. But if you want the picture still have color with these halftone effects, you can just leave those adjustment step and just come straight away to the filter, pixelate, color halftone. Okay, and it will be a colorful halftone. And the last way, I will show you how to color a black and white halftone pattern effect too. So this is tar. In Vietnam we call him black. First go to Image, then Mode and choose Grayscale. This is another way to create a black and white picture. Click this one. It becomes black and white. Then go to Mode again. Go to Image, Mode, and choose Bitmap. This resolution must be 1 or higher number. And this method here, we must use halftone spring for this effect, only this effect. The frequency here controls the density of the dots, and the angle here controls the direction of rows of dots. You can choose all the shapes for your pattern, like diamond, ellipse, line, squares, cross, but I choose round. and it looks exactly like the Marvel comics. You can see it. Kind of express. And then go to image again. To color it, go to image again, go to mode again, and choose grayscale again. Click OK. Then choose Guardian. Change the mode to screen. And choose the color Guardian here. Then drag the tool all over the canvas. You go to mode again and choose. It's happened when you not listen to when you are not you change the image mode to something color like indexed color, RGB color, CMYK color, black color. If you have it, drag it to over the canvas again, and you have this color Halftone's handsome top. This I'm Minh Anh from Vietnam. I'm from Hanoi, and I am learning and working at Giải Academy. There are many Giải kids courses and classes. You can study many things there, like this lesson. I'm 13 years old. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.